Well, today, since we had the big bike out on the dirt roads, we're going to do a little um, Microstart tire inflator review. I was looking for something small so I could use on the dirt bike too, because I'm tired of pumping tires with my hand. And my wife was kind enough to get me this for a holiday. I believe they're available like on Amazon or eBay, and it's a nice small little pump, and plugs right into a SAE port. So it comes with both a DC outlet and a SAE port type of thing. I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to get the distance, but I need a longer one of these, I guess. So we'll need to modify this cord, and even the air hose is short. It's got to be small, so see what we can't do with making this thing longer. Another thing I had a concern with is with the bigger. I got one of those larger slime pumps. You can buy them in any AutoZone or whatever. And not only is it big, but it takes up a lot of juice, so I always have to keep the bike running. It's kind of annoying when you're trying to pump up a tire. But I've got her plugged into AC power, and then you just plug this right into there. I'm not sure how useful it is, but there is a LED little light. Hey, if you didn't got a flashlight with you or whatever, it'd probably be nice to have right there. So turn it on. Makes a cute little noise. Now let's see how long it takes us to get up to temperature, or get up to pressure. We'll try the front tire first. So let's see what we start out with here. I was just riding on the road to get to this spot. And we're actually at 12 psi. Sorry, 20 psi. I had it on the wrong setting. So it's got a twist on type affair. The gauge is off by a couple of pounds per this. And I want to get her up to 34 from 20. It started off a little bit slow, but it's surprisingly going up fairly quickly. We're up about 5 pounds already. That's the other thing is with the slime pump, it's aggravatingly noisy. And this is not bad at all. Like I said, it makes a cute little noise. Anyway, we're up 10 pounds now. And there's 15 pounds. And seems to be fairly accurate. I don't know what happened in the first part of it, but as we got up to 35 pounds, it was only off by a half a pound. Starting right at 20 pounds. And actually the gauge is looking pretty accurate. We're at 5 pounds. £10. £15, and it didn't even get hot. That's surprising. Gauge check. Oh. Yep. Within a little bit. About a half pound. And we're good to go. So Microstart tire inflator. Works super well. The gauge is actually fairly accurate. So if you don't mind being off by half a pound or so, you can even get rid of your gauge. It screws on. You have to be deadly accurate with starting the threads, otherwise you'll cross your threads. It is a short hose. I thought it was an SAE connector, which it is not. However, it does come, and this is my only disappointment, it does come with this weird connector thing. I'm not sure what it's for, but you could cut this off, the 12 volt power adapter, and put the AC or the SAE adapter on there, solder it on, and maybe put a waterproof connection on there. That's what I've converted my bikes to, is this versus the big AC connector. These people don't pay me nothing. This is just for your information. It's my opinion. The Microstart mini tire inflator air pump, 2 thumbs up, works real well. The only disappointment was I thought it was a SAE type connector, and it was not, but I can fix it easily. It was bought off of Amazon. I think you can get it on Amazon or eBay pretty cheap. They're, I think it was like less than 20 bucks. It's quiet, pumps up fairly quickly, and the gauge is even accurate. So buy one if you like it. It'll I can put this in my Camelback. It's so small, and that's kind of what I'm looking for, so I don't have to use a hand pump. Appreciate you watching. Please comment, subscribe, like, and share. Adios.